Hi guys, it's Erik-Weisz with a new lockpicking video. The lock I have today is the Dierre New Power. It's an Italian lock with 7 sliders and 2 additional pin tumblers. The sliders are arranged on the left hand side of the keyway and the pin tumblers on the bottom, in the middle and in the back of the lock. It's a quite unusual design, which I have never seen before. Let's clamp it up in a vise and see if we can get it picked. Alright, the Dierre New Power is now in the vise. Here's the key again. Works very smoothly. And tensioning is a bit unusual for this lock because of the unusual shape of the keyway, but obviously the Dierre people have a heart for lockpickers. That's why they added this groove to the core, which is perfect for inserting the tensioner like that, so that the entire keyway remains open for picking. And I start with setting the 2 pin tumblers on the bottom of the keyway. This is the first one. And there's the second one. There was a little bit of core rotation. And yeah, I should have put down the sliders to the bottom position to get a defined start. And now I start testing the sliders. Number 1 is loose. Number 2 is binding. 3 is binding. 4 is binding and a little more core rotation. 5 is binding. 6, and we are already open. Well, that was easier than expected. And New Power, as a name, suggests something else. Now have a look what's inside this thing. This is a modular cylinder, which makes cutting a bit easier. We have to first, this was the side I picked, I think, yes. First I have to remove these 2 screws. Then we can take this part off and set the rest aside. And then we have to remove 2 more screws. Then there's a C-clip. Oh, I'm not prepared for that, but just a moment. Let's take this tool and I hope it will come off easily. Let's try it the other way. No. And off it goes. There it is. And then we can, let's insert the core and use a shim so that we do not lose the little pin tumblers. Oh, too bad. And I think we need a small follower. I'm really not so good prepared. Let's see if this fits. Let's see that the shim is covering both pin tumblers already. Let's see if this works. And let's hope that we don't lose anything on the way. Oh, big jump, sorry. So, core is extracted. And let's see how this works further. So there's a metal plate covering those sliders. Let's take that aside. And then there are the 7 sliders, perfectly aligned at the moment. It's number 7. Number 6. I hope I didn't rotate it. Number 5. Number 4. Number 1. Doesn't want to come out. Come on. And that's number 1. So then we have the 2 key pins here. Very small one. And the other one. And that should be about all about the core. Nothing special otherwise about that one. And then we have the driver pins. Oh, these come out as well. Oh, there's the shim is still inside. No, where is it? There it comes, it's quite far in the back. That's the first one. And that's the second one. They seem to be standard. And there should also be 2 springs, hopefully. That's one of them. It's a bit dirty, I think. And the other one, let's see if we can get that out as well. Let's take a pic. Well, I'm afraid I will not get that out. But I think it's not necessary to take it out. So as you can see, there are these holes on the bottom, on the top of the keyway. Can you see it? Hopefully. And that's where these sliders go if they are not correctly aligned, and that's what makes them block the core. So let me give you a close-up of the sliders. You can see that they also have false gates on the bottom and on the top. Yeah, this was not as hard as I expected to pick, but anyway, a very interesting and funny lock. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.